Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I just want to talk about the Ricoh GR3X and whether you might want to pick it up for 2025. That is this little camera right here. I believe this camera is becoming more popular for a variety of reasons. I believe that the Fujifilm film simulations have become very popular as the price of film has gone up and up, and this camera has built-in film simulations. I also just believe that there are not a lot of great small pocketable point and shoots on the market right now. And I believe the reason that is because everyone has one of these pocketable point and shoot cameras in their pocket all of the time. But I do believe there are a lot of good reasons to pick up the Ricoh GR3X if you're looking for a certain type of camera. First, I want to talk about why not just use your iPhone, since pretty much everyone has one everywhere you go. It's true, the iPhone has a great camera, but there are two important points for me, one of which more important than the other. The first point for me is that I'm not really intentional with photos that I take on my iPhone. I normally forget that they're there, I don't edit them, I don't export them, I don't print them, etc., nearly as much as I would like to. So having a dedicated point and shoot camera that's in my pocket all the time, that has an SD card that I will eject, put into my computer, import the photos, makes it a lot more purposeful. And the second reason I wanted a small point and shoot camera was so that I didn't really stand out as the photographer at small gatherings with friends and family. And that really came to light over Thanksgiving and Christmas, where I took photos and ended up sending them out to people after the fact, and people said, "Oh, I didn't even know that you had a camera out." And I think that resulted in a lot more natural photos. People weren't nearly as camera shy because they didn't even know it was there. And I was able to capture some really great moments. There are also just a lot of small trips that I take to the grocery store or elsewhere where I'm gonna leave for like 10 minutes and don't really wanna pick up a bigger camera and throw it around my neck, put it in the car just in case I see a certain thing. And so having a point and shoot that I can just toss in my pocket and I can either use or not just to catch a certain bit of light or just something I see while I'm out, even if it's at the grocery store. It's nice to have that camera with me all the time. It's also helpful to have a small point and shoot if you're taking public transportation and don't want to pull out a big camera. You can get some really interesting shots sometimes. Overall, editing the files has been really a breeze. If anything, I'm dropping the clarity and not looking for more sharpness or more clarity in the photos. And the film simulations have really been great and have really fit into my workflow pretty seamlessly. I have read that some people have experienced dust getting on the sensor due to the closing mechanism on the camera, but I've not personally experienced that at all. I do keep my camera in a little leather case and don't ever put it directly into my pocket without the case on. So maybe that's helped with that, but I've not had any maintenance issues with regards to dust on the sensor or anything else. So overall, I do recommend the Ricoh GR3X if you're looking for a small point and shoot camera that's not gonna stand out when you're in gatherings with friends or family at holidays, birthdays, etc., and are looking for something just that you can throw in your pocket and take with you wherever you go, and that also has a lot more resolution than your phone probably does. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Until next time.